Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and in this video tutorial I would like to show you how I am doing horizontal buttonhole. I like this method, and I will show you also some tips how to make the buttonhole less stretchy. For this example I am using garter stitch, but it can be also a stockinette stitch. So I cast on 15 stitches and knit uh, all my rows back and forth. My buttonhole will count 5 stitches, but of course it can be less or more. So let's get started. I am using here 4mm knitting needles and a medium worsted weight yarn. So when you reach the row when you're going to make a buttonhole, slip the first stitch and knit 4. I will have 5 stitches from one side, 5 stitches from another side, and 5 stitches for the buttonhole. Knit 4. Now close next 5 stitches without the working yarns. You are doing it like this: slip the next 2 stitches to the right hand needle and slip the first over the second stitch. Then again slip one more and slip the first over the second one. Slip the next stitch to the right hand needle and slip over. Slip the next one and slip over. And one more and slip over. Now you see 5 stitches. Return the last stitch to the left hand needle and let's cast on in this way 5 stitches that you just bound off. So this is 1 and pull tight here. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now knit 5. Knit 4 and purl the last selvage stitch that we usually do. So knit 4, 1, and pull tight here, please. The first stitch, 2, 3, 4, and purl the last selvage stitch. And that's what we have now. Turn, slip the first stitch, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, and now you need to find the stitch that is under the last one. So it looks like V. So this one, it's hiding, and you need to pick up only one side of this stitch. Let me show you one more time. So this is V stitch, and pick up only one bar and place it on the left hand needle and knit 2 together. So like this we strengthen the buttonhole from one side, and we will do it from another side as well. Now knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to strengthen this place, you see we have a long bar here. Again, find the V stitch under, pick up only one bar on one side and place it on the left hand needle and then knit 2 together. like this. Knit 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. Look now at the buttonhole. So we strengthen it compared to this one where I didn't do it. Look, it's stretchy, and at the end the button will pop out of this buttonhole. So that's how it looks. Now go on knitting until you reach the place where you need to make the second buttonhole. As before, I said that I'm knitting in garter stitch. So slip the first stitch, knit all stitches till the end, and purl the last one. Again, on the wrong side, slip the first stitch, knit all other stitches, and purl the last one. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope it was useful for you. If so, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave comments if you have any questions. And I hope to see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye, have a good day.